Hello, good morning, children. Our lesson for today is about estimating elapsed time. Of course, with me, Mama Ritan. Round off the following to the nearest minutes. Number 1, 6:46. Is it A, 6:40, B, 6:50, C, 5:50, A, B, C? And the correct answer is B, 6:50. Because 46 minutes will be round up to 50 minutes. Number 2, 7:21. Is it A, 7:20, B, 7:40, C, 7:30, A, B, or C? And the correct answer is letter A, 7:20. 20 minutes will be round down by 20 minutes. Number 3, 2:14. Is it A, 2:30, B, 2:20, C, 2:10, A, B, or C? And the correct answer is 2:10. Because 14 minutes will be round down to 10 minutes. Next, 8:58. Is it 8:50? Letter A. Letter B, 9 o'clock. Letter C, 8:60. A, B, or C? And the correct answer is letter B. Because 58 becomes 60 minutes. And 60 minutes is 1 hour. It will mark up, round up as 9 o'clock. Next, 4:55. Is it A, 5 o'clock, B, 4:50, C, 6 o'clock, A, B, or C? And the correct answer is letter A, 5 o'clock. Because 55 minutes becomes 60 minutes, and 60 minutes is 1 hour. So it will round up to 5 o'clock. Okay, let us solve this problem. Rod jogs every day around the park. This morning, he started jogging at 6:12 a.m. and ended at 6:48 a.m. About how long did he jog this morning? So the question is about how long did he jog this morning? And the given are 6:12 a.m. Rod start jogging and end up until 6:48 a.m. Okay, in solution, we have the actual time. And the actual time is 6:48 minus 6:12. So the actual time of elapsed time is 36 minutes. While in estimating about how many, we will subtract the rounded numbers. So 6:48 becomes 6:50 and 6:12 becomes 6:10. It will round down. So by subtracting the estimated time, we have 40 minutes. So therefore, Rod jog about 40 minutes. Okay, in trying to round the actual elapsed time, it is reasonable to round up because 36 minutes will be round up to 40 minutes. Another example. The Tabilang family arrived in Baluarte at 10:28 in the morning. They left their house at 9:56 a.m. So we're going to find the actual elapsed time and the estimated elapsed time. So for actual elapsed time, the arriving is 10:28 and they left the house at 9:56. But 28 minutes cannot be subtracted by 56. So we're going to borrow 1 hour from 10 hours. So it becomes 9:88. And 60 minutes will be added to 28 minutes of the time. Now, 9:88 minus 9:56 is 32 minutes. That is the actual elapsed time. Now, in estimating the elapsed time, we have 10:28 becomes 10:30 and 9:56 becomes 10 o'clock. Now, by subtracting 10:30 minus 10 o'clock is 30 minutes. So, from the actual time, 32 minutes, the estimated time of arrival is 30 minutes. Okay, let's try this example. During the physical fitness, 1,000-meter walk or run, five boys recorded their time in a table below. Okay, complete the table by filling in the estimated and actual time of elapsed time. The first person is Abe. Abe started the time at 8:07 a.m. and ended at 8:28 a.m. In solution of the actual time, we subtract 8:28 by 8:07. So the actual time is 21 minutes. And for the estimated time, we will round up or round down the numbers. So from 8:28, it becomes 8:30, and 8:07 becomes 8:10. And subtracting this, the estimated time of Abe is 20 minutes. So from actual time of 21 minutes, it will be round down by 20 minutes estimated. The second person is Ian. Ian started time 8:18 a.m. and it ended at 8:37 a.m. In solution of actual time, we subtract 8:37 by 8:18. The actual time is 19 minutes. Now, by estimating, by rounding up the minutes, 8:37 become 8:40 and 8:18 becomes 8:20 and the difference is 20 minutes. So estimated time is 20 minutes. From the actual time of 19 minutes, it will be round up to 20 minutes. The third person is Larry. Larry started the time 8:05 a.m. and ended the time at 8:18 a.m. By getting the solution of actual time, we subtract 8:18 by 8:05 and the actual elapsed time is 13 minutes. Now, by estimating, by rounding the numbers from 8:18 becomes 8:20 and 8:05 becomes 8:10. So, by subtracting 8:20 minus 8:10 is 10 minutes. So from actual time of 13 minutes, it will be round down by 10 minutes. Estimated. Next, the fourth person is Amado. The time started is 8:25 a.m. and time ended at 8:36 a.m. By actual time solution, 8:36 minus 8:25 is equal to 11 minutes. So the actual time is 11 minutes. And by estimating this, so from 8:36 becomes 8:40 and 8:25 becomes 8:30. So by subtracting 8:40 minus 8:30 is 10 minutes. From the actual time of 11 minutes, it will be round down to 10 minutes. Estimated. The last person is Isigani. Isigani started 8:57 a.m. and ended at 9:19 a.m. So by the solution of actual time, 9:19 minus 8:25 cannot be because 19 minutes cannot be subtracted by 25 minutes. So we're going to borrow 1 hour and then add it 60 minutes to 19. So it becomes 879 minutes. And subtracted by 825, the actual time here is 54 minutes. By estimating the time from 9:19 becomes 9:20 subtracted by 8:30, but 20 cannot be subtracted by 30 minutes, so we will borrow again 60 minutes. So 880 subtracted by 8:30, the estimated time is 50 minutes. From the actual time of 54 minutes, it will be round down by 50 minutes. Estimated time. Now, class, remember to estimate the elapsed time, round the minutes in the time ended and time started to tenths. Then, find the difference. So that is the estimating of elapsed time. Okay, let us try your understanding. Complete the table by filling in the elapsed time. Choose the letter only. Okay, here from number 1, 12:09 started time and ended time by 12:34. So 12:34 becomes 12:30 subtracted by 12:10. So the answer is okay, very good, 20 minutes. Next, number 2, 3:48 becomes 3:50 and 3:56 becomes 4 o'clock. Now, we cannot subtract o'clock by 48 minutes. So we will have 60 minus 50 become, okay, very good, 10 minutes. Now, 10:05 becomes 10:10 and 10:36 becomes 10:40. 10:40 minus 10:10 equals, correct, it's 8, 30 minutes. For number 4, we have uh, 8:08 becomes 8:10 and 8:50 becomes 9 o'clock. We cannot subtract o'clock because this is 0. So proceed from 60 minutes. 60 minutes minus 10 is how many? How much? Okay, very good. 50 minutes. So the answer is letter D. And the last one from 5:10 subtracted by 5:50 is 40 minutes. Very good, class. Okay, for your assignment, you will turn in your solution to our Google Classroom by filling the actual time and the estimated time of this problem. I will read you. Number one, the class began to rearrange the furniture inside the library at 9:35 a.m. They finalized the arrangement at 10:49 a.m. About how long did it take them to arrange the furniture? So you are going to find the actual time and the estimated time. For number 2, Leon served as an assistant in the library. He started to work at 6:15 in the morning. He left the library to attend his math class at 8:50 a.m. About how long did he assist in the library? So you're going to find the actual and the estimated time. Okay, just take a picture of your answer and turn in our Google Classroom. So for that, thank you very much for listening. Hope you understand our lesson for today. See you next time. Goodbye.